Our skin is our largest organ, and we are so concentrated with taking care of our face, which only amounts to 5% of our overall skin. And our body, similarly to our face, endures the same environmental stresses, but needs to be treated differently. So we have developed a 3-piece body collection to help to restore the loss of elasticity and collagen back into the skin, provide a youthful, hydrated glow. This is Body Surge, our hydrating and restoring body moisturizer. We have formulated this product with soap bark extract developed to firm, kakadu plum to boost radiance, and watermelon seed oil to lock in that hydration. Healthy looking skin starts with exfoliation, and our Doctor's Body Scrub is a dual action exfoliating product that utilizes both physical and enzymatic properties to reveal brighter, healthier looking skin all over the body. Beyond exfoliation and hydration, there are certain areas of our body that require a bit more focus, and so we have developed Firm Believer, our firming and contouring body serum, specifically for that reason. We love this concentrated serum because it works to lift, firm, and sculpt. Goldfaden MD's body care collection is available online at goldfadenmd.com as well as select retailers, and we hope you enjoy the collection as much as we do.